have pizza over I cook out. So when I finish, I'll get it for you, see?
Yes, Daddy.
Alright, wait Ashley, I like your clocks though.
Thank you.
Vicious. No, you don't want to do more things in your youth life and take more part in it, like they have events and sports day and them things then. You see, you have to just go up on the right track, brother, and focus.
Real talking to you. Vicious, just do the right thing, man. It's a good feeling to be present as a father in your youth life, you see me?
Vicious. As a businessman, I have to stop just them way. I take things serious.
Do the right thing, Charlie, man.
All is well, but I don't like to be the bearer of bad news. We have one more issue. You see, because I walk over the canal, every machine has to turn in short order.
Chano.
Squaddy, we not gonna lie someone like you, you know, to protect over here, you know.
No man, me no depend that in a bad man. You come like a kill this man, I want the people and kill we off over. It make me no depend that in my friend.
See, machine them I wanna have. I know they must have dopey on them. And you see if the rest of the police them soon with that. And ain't a problem, I have some time for rob for every dopey. So just do the right thing. And we have a better reason after this.
Hitmaker. Anything you say, you know?
Same thing me a pre no bad man.
You hear me, Squaddy? Me chat to you. Come here, me go over and cook out. Support what go on in the community. Man, I'm too full.
Come in, man. Everything over the squad.